If you are crazy and you like the lemonade, I've got the palette for you. Hi everyone, Shireen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing 3 looks using one palette, and that is the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. This is a palette that I'm very excited about because it's just so unique, especially for something drugstore. I feel like this isn't really something that you see, but of course I wouldn't expect anything less from Maybelline. So this one has this whole beautiful neutral scheme going on, but then also it incorporates pops of color like this yellow and pink. So let's just dive into these looks. They are so pretty and they range from everyday daytime looks to really fun and creative. So let's do this. Look number 1. As always, I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with some concealer as a base. Boom, boom. And then we are going to blend that out with the AOA Studio E108 brush. I love using this one for blending out concealer and just setting it because it has this tapered angle on both sides. So I just end up using one side for concealer and the other one for shadow. Blend, blend, blend. And blend, blend, blend some more. Time to set. We're gonna dive into the Lemonade Craze palette and we're gonna be picking up Sunnies and just putting this all over the lid, all the way up to the brow bone. For the crease, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Sweet Tea on this Morphe blending brush and then just press it onto the crease. And as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos lately, I've really been into taking this crease color really high up, almost up to my brow bone. So that's what we're doing today. And then repeat on the other side. And now we're gonna go back and build it up with a second layer. And then take this into the outer V, and then you're also gonna drag this right along the lower lash line. Do you guys see this powder going up? I swear, like, I can see it just like going up in front of my eyes, like, wow, very powdery. Let's go back and give this eye some love because it is clearly lacking. We want to make sure that our eyes are sisters and twins and not just distant cousins. Alright, now I'm just gonna go back and blend out this shade even more to just diffuse it onto the eyes. Does anybody else make really crazy faces with their lips when they're blending or just putting on anything on their lids? I always do. I just end up making duck lips, like, I don't know why. Maybe because it pulls my skin and it makes it easier to blend, like, I don't know. Now I'm gonna pick up Main Squeeze for the lid for a nice wash of color. Top off any excess before you put this on the lid because it is quite powdery, so to avoid all that fallout, you know, just do it. By itself, this color is very shimmery, but I feel like it could be built up even more by wetting my brush for that really high intensity look. But since I'm going for more of a daytime, everyday look with this, we're just gonna keep it as is. You wanna take this color all the way from the inner corner onto about halfway on the lid. And then blend it up towards your crease as well. This wouldn't be a lemonade look without the lemonade, so we're gonna go in with this signature yellow, pick some up and place it right into the inner corners. To make this color really opaque, you're gonna have to layer it on quite a few times. This is my 3rd layer right now, and I think I wanna do a few more. So let's do it! Layer 5. Alright, I think that's good. And then, of course, you just wanna repeat this on the other side. Eye booger, you are not welcome here. What is up with these eye boogers today? My goodness. Okay, fixed. There was quite a bit of fallout, so I'm just gonna clean that up with some micellar water real quick. I love using this Pink Cap one by Garnier because it is perfect for sensitive skin, which I definitely have. So let's just clean this up. And let's clean up our distant cousin into a sister. Perfect. So that is it for look 1. Super simple and easy. You don't need a whole lot of shadows, and it is the perfect everyday look. Thanks, Romeo. Thank you for ruining another video. Screams by Romeo. Now copyrighted. So that is it for look 1. It's super pretty and simple, and it still incorporates some color without being too overpowering. For look 2, we're gonna kick this look up a notch and take it from a daytime to a nighttime look. So we're gonna start off by taking that same blending brush and picking up a little bit of Old Fashioned. I'm gonna place this right into the outer V. This is gonna help to deepen and intensify the look for a more smoky effect. Like before, we're just going to press this where we want it and then go back and blend. Blend, 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 blend. Bring this down right into the outer part of the lower lash line as well. Do you see how already that made such a big difference? This is instantly just boom, dramatic, and this one is not. For the lids, I'm going to pick up some of Sugar Coated on this same flat brush that I used before, and this time we are going to wet it. So I'm just using my Pixi Beauty Makeup Fixing Mist, giving this a nice shake, and then spritzing it right onto my brush. Perfect! What this is gonna do is give us that really beautiful metallic effect and make that color really come to life. Ooh, yes, now this is what I'm talking about. This is giving me a really beautiful molten rose gold sort of effect. So with this, just like last time, take it in from the inner corner to halfway across the lid and blend it up towards the crease. And that, my friends, is how you go from day to night. I just went ahead and did the other eye, and now we're going to clean up the edges with this cotton round for a nice sharp line. And there you go, smoky nighttime look, check. Alright, for this last look, I want to do something really fun and creative, so I already went ahead and set down my concealer. Now let's set it with some shadow. So I'm going to be going in with Sorbet or Sherbet or whatever you want to call it, which is this shade right here. So we're just going to pick that up, tap off, ooh, oh my god. You guys. Okay, when I went to go tap off the excess, I didn't think it was gonna go all over the palette. Look what just happened. Like, it literally exploded all over every single shade. What? Subculture who? Well, now we know who Subculture's sister palette is. Alrighty then, moving on. Let's just set the lids. Okay, let's try to fix this. Oh, easy. It literally just all blew away. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna clean up this blending brush real quick using this Sonia Kashuk Spot Cleanser thingy-majiggy, and we're just going to clean the brush. I love doing this. It makes me feel like I'm in a watercolor paint class. Like, I'm a true artiste. Alright, good enough. I'm gonna pick up some of Berry Ice and place this right along the crease. Is that even doing anything? Okay, see, in my head, I was like, let's use this as a transition shade. But now I'm just like, where is it? Where is it? ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? Not here. Okay, it's like really, really light, so... Is this even doing much? Okay, this isn't really doing anything, but like, for the sake of using as many colors as we can in this palette, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, it like sorta did something. It's there, but like it's not there. You know what I mean? Moving on, this is where it gets really fun. So I'm gonna pick up some of Ice Pop, just a little bit. We're gonna build this up. So we're gonna go back into that crease and just blend away. Okay, this color is not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. See, in this step is where you really want to embrace your inner Pac-Man, because you just really want to go and just pack. Just pack it on, because that's how you get some really intense eyeshadow looks. You feel me? Otherwise, it's going to be super sheer and you're not going to see anything. So now just repeat onto the other eye. Pack. Oh, you can also be Pac Woman if you prefer. I know I certainly do. I would love to be Pac Woman and not Pac-Man, because this is 2018 and we need a Pac Woman, okay? Ooh, this feels so nice. I could just do this all day. Alright, now that you've pretty much blended to your heart's desire, time to move on into some yellow action on the lids. Time to spot clean this brush. Boop, boop, boop. Perfect. We're gonna dip back into Lemonade Craze, and this time I am going to be wetting my brush because I want this color to be just super intense. So much for super intense. Alrighty, well that definitely backfired. That's okay. That kind of made it patchy, if anything. We'll work with it. I'm focusing this mainly on the center of the lid because I want kind of like a sunset look. You know what? Actually, spritzing did kind of help a little bit. It's making the shadow just have like a nice base to stick to, and that is helping it become more pigmented. Obviously, same thing on the other side, just spritz away. Just gonna pack on this Lemonade Craze like a crazy person. Now with this small e.l.f. crease brush, I'm gonna pick up some of Strawberry Lemonade and also wet that one. And this is gonna give us a really sparkly, intense inner corner highlight. I'm living! I'm just gonna take this over the entire lid as well, sort of as a lid topper to give us a really pretty, sparkly effect. Now we're just gonna copy what we did up here to the lower lash line, so I'm gonna start off by taking Ice Pop and placing this right along the outer part of the lower lash line, and then connecting it upwards to meet Ice Pop on the crease. And then we're gonna place a Lemonade Craze right in the center of the lower lash line. Now to really top everything off, we're gonna be going in with Citrus, wetting the brush, and then going back over that Lemonade Craze shade. Wow. Instantly, this is giving it such a beautiful, glittery glow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's insane how pigmented this is. Insane, I tell you, insane. So now, obviously, do the same thing to the lower lash line as well. For the finishing step, of course, just clean up the look. She's beautiful! And that is look number 3. So that is it for my 3 looks using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. Drop a comment down below and let me know which look was your favorite. I definitely love this last one because I've been really into just colorful, more creative looks lately. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!